Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. All over India there is a heat wave and it is scorching hot. And if this continues, plants can actually die from a depletion of their food reserves. And when our plants die because of this heat wave, it creates a painful moment for us. So we can take a few steps for saving our plants from this heat wave. First step is to transfer the pots in such a place where there is less sunlight available. And we must keep them together in a very enclosed space. That was the first step. Now let me tell you about the second step. The second step is to change watering practices. With higher temperature comes more water loss, both through leaves of the plant, which is through transpiration, and through evaporation of the soil surface. So the first step is to give the water in early morning or after sunset. Second is to apply water efficiently. So only sprinkling is not enough for the plant. You must first do deep irrigation and then sprinkle. Plants in containers and hanging baskets may need to water frequently. Especially when windy or hot, containers dry out very quickly. Now let me tell you the third tip. Always add mulch to your plants. It has the added benefit of shading the soil to keep the root zone cooler. Now let me tell you about the fertilizer. Actually, during this time, no solid or chemical fertilizer is allowed. But flowers like moss rose, plumerias or even bougainvilleas flower right now only. So they do need little amount of fertilizer for their flowering. So if you wish to, you can add onion peels in a container and add water to it. Then keep it for 2 to 3 days. And after 2 to 3 days, make sure to make it dilute as much as possible and then give it to your plants. Also keep in mind, do not transplant or propagate right now only. So you must wait till the heat wave goes away and then do your transplanting or propagating. Now let me tell you a little bit about deadheading your plants. So if you haven't noticed till yet, your plants may stop blooming during this extreme heat. So removing the spent flowers can improve the plant's appearance. So keep the plants from spending precious resources on fruit and seed development. And set the plant up to bloom again once the heat wave passes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.